Welcome back, friends. It's Melanie with Melanie Stamps, and today I am opening up my Better Press on screen for all of you, and we are going to do my very first press together, so stick around till the end and see what happens. Hello, crafty friends. Look what I got in the mail. I'm a little late on this one because I actually did order the bundle just like everybody else. This was not a gift from Spellbinders. I actually ordered this myself, and I'm going to open it on air. I have not opened it. It is still sealed. So let's get some scissors and open this guy up and see what's inside, which of course I know a lot of people have already seen the unboxings. I'm a little late on the bandwagon here. We of course have our cotton cardstock and our little Letter Press Better Press System booklet. Ooh. There's nothing like having the catalog in your hand. People have been talking about it, and I have actually ordered a couple extra plates I have here on hand. We are going to have to try out. Okay, so they come in the A2 and the A7, the papers, the cotton paper. I have seen some of the upcoming panel or the upcoming plates for this system, and the Christmas is going to knock your socks off. And I have someone, actually a special guest, that might be coming to visit a YouTube channel near you. Hint, hint. You might want to subscribe for that video. Just saying. He's a very, very special guest. So if you're at all interested in seeing how the Better Press works, he is interested in learning how it works. So just hint, hint. This is the exclusive plate that came with the pre-order. So awesome. Okay, so we can do that plate in one and then die cut it out, but it looks like it comes out individually, so that's nice. So we can rearrange the letters in whatever order we want. And then the birthday is separate, and the little flowers are separate. Cool beans. Okay. This came with its ink. This is the... does it say? Nature Tones, the Nature Tone ink pads. And this is a specialty ink, similar to Archival, but the makeup of it is a little bit different so that you get the crispness of your ink on the paper. You can still use other inks, I have been told. They're just not as crisp, but don't let that stop you from experimenting. This is your machine. This is your toy. The only thing I want to express to you is not to use your foil press plates, your foil plates in the Better Press system. You can use these plates safely in your glimmer system, but do not do it the other way around. It will void your warranty, as the glimmer plates are thicker and they can mess up your platform here, your Better Press platform. So it will void your warranty, and over time it will mess up your platform. So yes, you can foil these perfectly. They're thinner, so that's a good thing, and we will do that in the future. But do not put glimmer in the Better Press. So just wanted to make sure y'all knew that. Other than that, experiment, to your heart's content. I've seen people experimenting with different papers. I've seen them experimenting with all the different inks. What I have noticed is that the best outcome has been with the Spellbinders inks and papers. But that doesn't mean you don't still get a beautiful outcome the other ways. So play with it. It's your art. And that's all I'm going to say. Art is art. It's beautiful in the eye of the beholder. And you are the artist. So don't ever forget that. You are the artist. Okay, so let's check this out. I feel like it's Christmas morning. Is it Christmas morning? Not quite. Ooh. Okay. Are we going to do this at least once on this video? Okay. Okay, this is what the original, all this extra stuff, this stuff here was the pre-order bundle. The stuff coming out of this box is what the regular bundle is. This is what you get in the regular bundle. And I don't know if this is still available. It was, but the pre-order availability is gone. That was sold out. So this is what the regular bundle comes with, though. So you do still get a sampling of the cotton paper. And oh my goodness, they have everything wrapped up. How are we supposed to get in? We want to see it, people. Okay, so we've got our plate that comes with it. This has 2 sentiment dies. The favorite is spelled differently depending if you live in like Canada or America. We spell favorite differently. So Spellbinders was nice enough to spell it differently. I know other places in the world spell it one way and we spell it another because we're different. I don't know why. But so there's our plate. Here is our instruction manual. What you've received here, and step by step of how to come out with this beautifulness. So we're going rogue, and okay, how is this attached? Let's see, it must be taped somewhere. Because it is not just popping off like I would have thought. Let's see. Oh. Ooh, those magnets are really strong. It does pop off. I was just not pulling hard enough. Oh, prettiness. Look at there. Some satisfaction pulling off brand new plastic. Okay, we'll remove that. Then we've got our 3 shims, I believe. Yes. And then we've got our magnet platform, and I've read that those shims go underneath. This goes right there. And then this will, woo, those are strong. Look at that. I could pick the whole thing up. That's how strong those magnets are. Wow. I was not expecting that. That is awesome. Okay. Let's do one, guys. Let's do it just because we can. Just because we can. Okay. Get a piece of paper. We're going to do it just because we can. Okay. Looks like in the sample pack we have a little bit of the, I believe it's called Pebble. And a little bit of the bisque or white. Let's see. Oh, we might have all 3 colors in here. Yeah, we do. Okay, those are your 3 colors of paper. You got your white, your cream, and your like gray. So I guess we'll just start off with the white. We'll be boring. And we have turned this upside down already, so I know that we line this up right here. Get some of our best ever tape. And I have a confession for y'all. You want to hear my confession? I have never had a roll of best ever tape. Can you believe that? Shh, don't tell anybody. I've just never gotten one. I mean, I own everything else, right? Now I own best ever tape. All because of the Better Press. So I'm going to put a little piece right there. And a little piece right here. And we will put, whoops, guess I'm making lots of noise. We will put, how do we want this on here? I guess it doesn't really matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Okay, so your A2 guideline is right there. That's where your paper's going to be. We will get our sentiment. I don't even know which one is which by looking at it, but it doesn't matter. To my favorite person. I like that. Instead of friend, it's to my favorite person. Alrighty, so we'll do that. Then we will get the ink. Now this ink is not Copic friendly. I have seen a few people using Copic with it, but it is not Copic friendly. It is recommended for water, water base. So your water pencils. I'm being really careful because I've never done this before. See, I've knocked my little sentiment over. I've never done this before, you guys. Water markers or color pencils, you know, that kind of thing. Yana showed it done with polychromos. I've seen it done with watercolor paints. I mean, so anything but alcohol base with this ink. Now, if you want to do watercolor, go ahead and put your Copic friendly ink on here and give it a try. I plan to, because everyone knows I love to Copic color. Okay, do I have it all? They say to tap and pivot, so that's what I'm trying to do. And yes, I'm probably doing it too much, but it's my first time. So try to get this done too. Okay. Then we're gonna do it, people. Ooh, that thing is powerful. Okay, so I'm gonna pull up my Platinum 6 here. Scooch this out of the way without pushing down the top. My camera is pretty close to here, so I'm trying to be super careful. Alright, we will just slide her through. Moment of truth. Dun, 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 dun. Didn't feel like it was doing anything. That is weird. Let's see if mini magic happened. Well, I see ink through it. I can't get over how strong the magnets are. Oh my goodness. Let's see if you guys can see that. It is perfect. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh my, can you guys tell? I can't tell if you can tell the detail or not. These have so much more detail than the regular dies and the regular stamping. It's just like you can feel the ridges in the paper. I could tell when I was stamping it that that one right there had more detail in the flower, but it's like real, and it's all dry. Wow. Okay, guys, so that was my very first letterpress, or Better Press. So I'm going to just let it go at that, keep this at a 15-minute video, and there will be more to come. So keep it on this channel and like and subscribe. Thanks, friends. Bye-bye.